Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the zoo is 35 kilometers and 700 meters from Michael's house, how far is the zoo from the church? We are given in the question that total distance of house to zoo is equal to 35 kilometers and 700 meters. And different stages of the journey distances are given. For example, house to hospital is given as 9 kilometer and 400 meters. Hospital to airport is given as 9 kilometer 100 meters. Airport to church is given as 8 kilometers and 900 meters. We have to find distance of church to zoo from this given information. So all of the other information is given. The total distance is given as 35 kilometer 700 meters. Total is house to zoo. Okay, now let's see, in order to find this, let's first add all of the given distances. So given distances are house to hospital, hospital to airport, and airport to church. So 900 plus 100 becomes 1 kilometer, that is 1000 meters. So this 1 kilometer will add over here. Let's see, now in meter section we are only left with 400 meters. And kilometers add up to 9 plus 9 plus 9, 27 kilometers. Now the total distance of these three stages of the journey is 27 kilometer and 400 meters. So we have to simply find the difference between 35 kilometer, that is total distance from house to zoo, and total distance from house to church in order to find the distance from church to zoo. So let's see. House to zoo minus house to church will give us church to zoo, this distance. So let's do that calculation now. I have just moved around this equation here, this subtraction here. So let's see. House to zoo is 35 kilometers 700 meters. We have to subtract 27 kilometers 400 meters from here. So what we get? This is 300 meters. 700 minus 400 is 300 meters. And 35 kilometer minus 27 kilometer is 8 kilometer. So this is the required distance from church. Distance from church to zoo is 8 kilometers 300 meters. So this is the answer.